to do my duty without delay. To the best in the world I will sing and hear. Worthy lady, for I cannot stay from song, since I turned to see you all along. But because I see you not, my life seems death to me, and song is grief, and pleasure desolation's plea. Though I promised that never again I would come to see you, lady fair, I cannot hold back for all my pain, for true love draws me to you there, and beauty which has forced me to this pass. Yet asses is a thing I must cross and amass, for I would rather be a perjurer and escape the sword than die true or live with torments like one dead and gone. Whereof you are shelter and part, the worse I draw from it, my ill torture is my comfort. Lady, the ill that pains me most in sum is that I have no right leisure nor leave to see you often, nor power to come to serve your gay body and receive. But whoever nobly does what he can do should well find more mercy there, and true mercy I find, and let mercy make strong and true my feeble deeds, since from power I strain them through. Pleasing form, so much I have in serving you my will and whole intent, that I flee what I could have unsaved for that which I shall never have, but am content. For toward you I wish to come to loss and wreck, rather than to gain from many others back. For such loss is to me a gain in sport and play, and joy from elsewhere is harm and sorrow always. Nor wrong can loosen me from this, nor joy from another, nor from you desolation's kiss.